Ever thought of building your own website? In our rapidly evolving digital age, having a website is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Be it for personal branding, showcasing your portfolio, or kickstarting a business, a website serves as your digital front door, open to the world. Now, what if I told you that building a website from scratch isn't as daunting as it sounds? Yes, you heard it right. No need for coding wizardry or technical prowess. Just a sprinkle of creativity, a dash of commitment, and a step-by-step guide, which I'll be sharing with you today. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process from brainstorming your brand and target market, acquiring web hosting and a domain name, setting up WordPress, building your core pages, creating engaging content, to launching your website and promoting it effectively. Are you ready to start your journey of creating a website? Stick around to find out how simple it can be. Before diving into the technical aspects, it's crucial to understand your brand and target market. Now, you might be wondering why. Well, envisioning your brand is like painting a picture of your business in your mind's eye. It's what makes you different. It's the story you tell, the values you uphold, and the experience you offer. It is, in essence, the personality of your business. The clearer this picture, the easier it will be to convey this personality through your website. The colors you choose, the words you use, the images you share, all these elements will be guided by the brand you've envisioned. Now let's talk about your target market. These are the people you're creating your website for, the ones you want to attract, engage, and ultimately convert into customers. Are they young or old? Tech savvy or not so much? What are their interests, their needs, their challenges? Understanding your audience will help you create a website that speaks their language and meets their needs. Think of your brand and target market as the compass guiding your website's design, content, and marketing strategies. They help you decide what features to include, what blog posts to write, even what social media platforms to focus on. So take a moment, brainstorm, sketch out your brand, identify your target market. Because, my friend, with a clear understanding of your brand and target audience, you're ready for the next step. Now it's time to make your website exist in the digital world through web hosting and a domain name. Think of your website as a shop. Web hosting is like the plot of land where your shop sits. It's where all your website files are stored. A domain name, on the other hand, is like your shop's address. It's how people find you on the internet. To acquire web hosting, you'll need to find a hosting provider. These companies rent out server space where your website can live. There are many out there, so it's important to do your research and pick one that fits your needs and budget. As for your domain name, you'll want to choose something that represents your brand and is easy for people to remember. Your hosting provider will most likely offer domain registration as part of their services. Once you've secured your web hosting, it's time to set up the site itself. WordPress is a popular platform for website creation. Let's make it work for you. So what exactly is WordPress? Well, it's a free and open source content management system. In simpler terms, it's a user-friendly tool that lets you build and manage your own website without needing to learn complex coding. It's like the Lego of website building. You can pick and choose different blocks to create something truly unique. Most hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress install, which makes things super easy. Now, onto the fun part, customizing your website. WordPress offers a myriad of themes, which are essentially pre-made website designs. You can scroll through the options, preview them, and once you find one that resonates with your brand, just click install and then activate. Next, let's talk about plugins. These are like little apps that add extra functionality to your WordPress site. Whether you want to add a contact form, a photo gallery, or improve your site's SEO, there's a plugin for that. To install a plugin, head to the plugins section in your admin panel, click Add New, search for the plugin you want, then click Install Now and activate. It's important to remember that while plugins can be incredibly useful, too many can slow down your site. So use them sparingly and only install those that truly add value to your site. With WordPress set up and customized, you're ready to flesh it out. The backbone of your website lies in its core pages. These pages are the heart and soul of your online presence, shaping your visitors' experience and creating a lasting impression. Let's start with the home page. It's like the front door of a house, welcoming visitors and giving them a glimpse of what's inside. It should encapsulate your brand, your mission, and what you can offer. Make it engaging, relevant, and easy to navigate. The About page is your chance to tell your story. Who are you? What's your journey? What drives you? Remember to keep it authentic and relatable. Next, we have the Products or Services page. This is where you showcase what you have to offer. Whether it's a product or a service, make sure to highlight its features, benefits, and why it's the best choice for your customers. The Testimonials page is where you show proof of your value. Feature reviews, ratings, or case studies from satisfied customers. This builds trust and credibility with prospective clients. Your blog page is your platform to share insights, news, and updates. It's a great way to engage with your audience and establish yourself as an expert in your field. Lastly, the contact page. Make it easy for people to get in touch with you. Include all necessary details like your email, phone number, and physical address if applicable. Creating compelling content for these pages can be challenging. But here's a little secret. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you get started. It can generate engaging content, saving your time and effort. Remember, your pages should be engaging, informative, and reflect your brand's personality. They should also be optimized for search engines to help your website rank higher. With your core pages built, there's just one more step to go before you're ready to launch. A Facebook page is a great way to connect with your audience and drive traffic to your website. To create a page, first, log into your Facebook account. Then on the left-hand side of your news feed, click on Pages. Once there, click on the option that says Create Page. Fill in the details about your business or brand, including your brand new website address. This process is straightforward and should take you no more than a few minutes. Having a Facebook page allows you to engage with your audience, share updates, and promote your products or services. You can use it to drive traffic to your website in various ways. You can post links to your new blog posts, product releases, or any other updates from your website. Remember, the more engaging your content, the more likely it is to be shared, increasing your page and website's visibility. Now that your Facebook page is set up, it's time to launch your website officially. You've built your website, now it's time to share it with the world. Launching your site is as exciting as it is crucial. It's like opening the doors to your brand new shop for the very first time. But how do you get those first customers through the door? One of the most effective ways is through your Facebook page. It's simple really, just post a link to your website on your Facebook page. This will allow your followers to click through and explore what you've been working so hard on. But don't stop there. Consider using paid advertising. Facebook ads, for instance, can be a game changer. They offer a cost-effective way to reach a wider audience beyond your existing followers. This can be especially useful if you're just starting out and need to build your online presence quickly. Paid advertising is like a megaphone, amplifying your message to reach those who may be interested in what you have to offer. You can target your ads based on location, age, interests, and more, ensuring that your message reaches the right people. Congratulations, you've just built and launched your own website. Remember, the journey doesn't stop here. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep building. Before I wrap up, I have a quick but important request. If you found this guide helpful and want to learn more about creating and growing your online presence, please consider subscribing to this channel. I regularly share tips, tricks, and guides to help you on your digital journey. Remember to hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. Also, be sure to check out the video description below for links to more resources on website building. Remember, every great website started with a single step. You're on your way to creating something amazing. I can't wait to see what you build next.